What's up again, guys? My name is Turkey Gaming, and I'm gonna show you what I built for the past seasons. I wasn't here, so let's click on it. So you see a lot of whoa. So we are playing a survival world, and I want to show you what we have done. So let's click into everybody got things to do sometimes. Okay, so on what I built for you guys, I will show you. Oh no, this is the wrong thing I went into. So wait, and see you guys. Thing will be amazing. Try this. I'm really past easy to show you what I've been done. Okay, so this is more about PlayStation, but I didn't show you this one. If you want to see it close up for yourself. PlayStation. So there's something about PlayStation, but that I want to show you. I want to show you my very own PS4 I built on Minecraft. So I built my very own PS4 on Minecraft, and I'm gonna show you what I built. So please believe when you see it. It's my very own PS4. Look at it, guys. Do you love it? My very own PS4. It's really amazing. Very own PS4. Take me a century to build this PS4. But I'm gonna make you see it close up. So a very own PS4. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Takes centuries to build. Takes centuries to build a very old PS4. Look at it. Just look at it. So I want you to look at this, and please, I want you to give me about 50 likes on this video. It's my first Minecraft video I made for you guys to see. My very own PS4. And you can see over there. You can see over there that I have some houses going on. So make you see enough. So I'm gonna make you see it pretty good for me. So you see it, the house I made. The frozen. Wait, okay, that's frozen. Okay, let's give it frozen. So please like, share, comment below, and give me about 50 likes in this video. Please subscribe either about 52 and just make it, please.